Hello everyone, this is Atika Badari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to add data to the list. So let's get started. So let's make a new file, tu36.py. Okay. Now let's make a list here. So let's write here string. Okay. Let's make a list of string 1 and string 2. Yeah, let me increase the size a little bit. Yeah, I hope it's clear now, right? So let's use the first method, append method, to insert more values to the list. Okay, so here we will write string dot append, and then we will write here the value which we want to append. So here let's write string 3. Okay, so let's print our string. Okay, yeah, see, as you can see here, string 1 and string 2 are the values from the initial list, and string 3 has been appended to our list. So by this, it's clear that append method inserts the values at the end of the list. Okay, so why do we need to use append method and other methods to insert values to the list? Because sometimes we do not know how many values will be there in the list, right? So we just simply make an empty list, suppose L. We just make an empty list and insert the values afterwards. Okay, so this is the first method used to insert values to the list, right? Let's move to the second one. So here let's just comment this one out, right? So here we will write string dot insert. Here first we will pass the position, at which position we wanna add the value. Okay, so suppose I want this at first position, then we will put a comma and then we will give the value. So string 2 or 3, sorry. Okay, now we will write print string. Okay, so here it is string 1, string 3 and then string 2. So string 3 has been inserted on the first position, that's why it is between string 1 and string 2. Hope I made myself clear. So insert method inserts the value at a particular position in a list. Okay, now let's see how can we join two lists. So let's comment this out, and here let's make another list. Okay, so list 2. Okay, now here we will write string 3 and here we will write string 4. Okay, now here what we will do, we will just write, suppose, list 3 equals to, here we will write string, and we will concatenate list 2 to it. If we print our list 3 here, list 3, see, string 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope it's visible, right? So this is how we join two lists, just like we concatenate two strings. Okay, now let's move to the third method of inserting values to the list. So suppose, let's comment this out. Okay, now here we will write string dot extend. Okay, and here we will write list 2. Let's print the string. Okay, see, string 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? It extended our list with this list. Okay, if you want, you can also write it like this. You can pass a value here, suppose string 3. Okay, see, if you will pass a simple value, it will write it like this in an extended form. See, string and 3 is here, right? So if you do it like this, okay, so let's just wait a second. Yeah, let's just copy it and paste it here. I have to give you the code, that's why I will write here all the things. String 3. Okay, so let's comment this code out. So as you can see, if we extend this list to a list, it will work like this: string 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but what if we append this list to this list? What do you think will happen? Okay, let's see what will happen. So let's copy it and okay, so let's use append here. Right now, when we will run our program, you will be able to see that append method inserted this list as a whole list inside my first list. As you can see, there are different brackets for this list here, this much, right? So append method inserted this as a whole list at the end of my list, right? You need to remember that append method only inserts the value at the end of the list. Okay, to insert the value at a particular position, you can use insert method. Okay, here first you have to give the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and then you have to give the value. Okay, so hope I made myself clear. See you soon in my next video, guys, and I will drop the code in the description box. You can check out the code. Thank you so much.